Kirk Duckwall here with Mastermind, the market, your real estate stats update for the Twin Cities area. Are we in a normal market? Well, we'll get into that in just 1 second. But first, make sure you click on that subscribe button. We know that knowledge is power, and the more knowledge that you have about our Twin Cities real estate market, the more that you can leverage that to your advantage. Talking about that, if you haven't had the opportunity yet, check out our TV show, the Twin Cities Real Estate Show, on the CW23 Friday mornings at 8:30. If you're not able to catch it at that time, you can go to twincitiesrealestateshow.com and see all of our past shows. Pick up on some great tricks and tips for buyers and sellers. All right, let's dive into this week's data. Showings per week per listing. Median sale price range was at a 4.42, down to a 3.98. So this is tracking at a pretty balanced market for the last 7 days. Moving quite a bit slower than last year. That said, as we've mentioned in past videos, this is because we really didn't have a spring market last year, more so a summer market, so we expect that trend to continue. Total number of showings week over week, not a big surprise with the holiday week there. 2914 down to 2225, and we'll probably see pretty similar numbers when that comes out for this week. It's possible we may see that pick up ever so slightly after the holiday stats have passed, so we'll keep an eye on that. Total amount of new listings coming into the marketplace, moving ahead of where they were last year, but slightly slower than the previous week. This is a good amount of inventory, though, coming into our marketplace on a weekly basis. That, combined with pending sales moving slower, it's helping bring our inventory up slowly week by week, which is definitely going to be helping out buyers. So talking about inventory, we're running ahead 11% just over 30 days ago. Again, helping those buyers out. Sale prices move up just a little bit, pick up by $4,000 from May to June. So it was at $344 up to $350. But with what we know is going on with the market meter and that showing activity, we expect for July, when those numbers come out, that is either going to remain relatively flat or start to drop off. Interest rates fell back a little bit and may continue to drop back slightly, but still keeping in that 3 range, that from our resident mortgage geek, Chad Preby over at Bell Bank Mortgage. Okay, where is our market going to go? So looking at that market meter, we can look at the weekly pace of that dropping off as we finish off the month and go into July, down to an 8.23, so going down almost as fast as it went up there. So when we look at our 30-day trend, we can see that market meter 8.23, and we expect that to continue to fall, as we know the 7-day rate is right in that balanced market range, which is a pretty normal market for this time of year. We're actually moving slower as far as total showing activity than we were in 2019. So that crazy extreme seller's market has passed us by. It's still not a bad time of year to consider looking at selling, but you want to talk that over with your agent depending on each market you're looking at, whether that's the condo market or a plus 500K, below 500K townhouse. Every market's different, and you want to look at that. Hopefully you found this information valuable. Again, click on that subscribe button. Take care, be safe, and have a great week.